So then guys, I can't believe it. We are 2 months away now from the iPhone 17 launch. And today I want to go over all the details about the baseline iPhone 17, essentially the cheapest iPhone you'll be able to buy when it comes out. And I want to go over 5 big leaks about it, and I also want to go over the release date and price details too for the iPhone 17 normal. But first of all, let's begin then with the release date and price. So at the moment, the release date is looking to be towards in September time. What we're most likely going to get in the second week of September is a launch event from Apple. At this event, we will see the iPhone 17 normal, the 17 Air, the 17 Pro models, some watches and some other devices too. And more than likely, that is going to be happening on Tuesday the 9th of September or Wednesday, September 10th. This is when it's going to be. That's when we're going to get the actual announcement of the new iPhone 17 models, including the iPhone 17 normal. Now, to pre-order the new iPhone, more than likely it will be a few days later on the Friday, and that will be on the 12th. So the 12th of September is when you'll be able to pre-order it. Normally, the time you can pre-order it's like 5 a.m. Pacific time in the UK. Where I am, it's normally about 1 p.m. in the afternoon. So, you know, work it out. That's the kind of timing we're looking towards to actually pre-order the new iPhone. But for the actual release, when we'll actually have it in our hands, well, that will probably be about a week later after the pre-order. So we're talking the 19th of September. So we're going to be talking around about, say, 12 days later after the launch event. That's when you'll be able to get your hands on a brand new iPhone for the first time. But then for the pricing of the iPhone 17, I think at this stage I'm going to throw in there is not going to be an iPhone 17 Plus. This has been replaced by the iPhone 17 Air, and obviously I've made other videos on this channel about that. So we're going to be sticking with just the price of the iPhone 17 because that is just going to be the normal one we are going to get technically out there. Now, right now, the normal iPhone 16 costs $799 US, just like its predecessor, the 15, the 14, the 13, the 12, they have all been this exact same price. So more than likely, as you can gather, the price, the starting range is going to be $799 US, and more than likely it's going to be a 128 gigabyte model we're going to get with the iPhone 17 normal when it actually does come out. So unless kind of tariffs interfere with that, because obviously we've been thinking that tariffs are going to come into play and interfere with this, but obviously nothing really has happened yet to affect Apple as of yet. But at the moment, that's what we can look towards. Obviously, if more tariffs and things do come in before September time in the next 2 months, yeah, things might change. But at the moment, it is looking likely it's going to be $799 US to buy yourself an iPhone 17 normal. But first, just quickly, I want to tell you about the giveaway we're doing on this channel at the end of September time this year, and it's for this iPad Pro you're seeing. And one lucky subscriber is going to get their hands on it. And this iPad Pro is a spec'd up model. It is the 13-inch model of the OLED iPad Pro, and then it's also got 1 terabyte of storage. And if you know anything about an iPad Pro with 1 terabyte storage, that means it's got the top spec M4, so it's got the 10-core CPU, 10-core GPU. It's also got 16 gigabytes of RAM, and then on top of that too, this is the cellular Wi-Fi model. And like I said, I'm giving it away to 1 lucky subscriber on this channel. And all you have to do to enter into this giveaway, it's quite simple at this stage. Just put down into the comments below of what technology gear you're hoping to still get in 2025. Maybe it will be a new iPad, maybe it'll be a new MacBook, maybe it'll be a new AirPods, iPhone. Put it down in the comments below. It could be even something nothing to do with Apple, Nintendo Switch 2, or something else. Like I said, put it down into the comments below right now. Now, the other part of the giveaway will be happening at the end of September time. And this is where I'll be making a video giving you even more details, including the form to fill in around that time. So the best thing you can do right now is subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell because you want to get that video. Plus you also want to be a subscriber too, because obviously I'm giving this away to a subscriber. The last thing I want to quickly say about this giveaway is that sadly there are still lots of scammers and spammers out there. People still impersonating to WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram direct message. Please do ignore these people. Best you can see right here. Please do report them. And with that out of the way, let's now go over 5 new leaks that we've had in telling us more information about the iPhone 17 normal. And to start with, it's all to do with the design and also the size of it. Now, the actual design of the iPhone 17 normal looks like it's going to stay exactly the same as the iPhone 16. The only one difference is it's going to be slightly bigger. That's because this time round, we are going to get a 6.3-inch display inside the likes of the iPhone 17. We are not going to have a 6.1-inch display like we've had in the past. You know, the Pro models on the 16 Pros, they went up to 6.3 and up to 6.9 almost. And, you know, it looks like this is going to be the case now for the normal iPhone 17. It's going up from 6.1 to 6.3. So that's really good news to hear. So that does mean the design is going to be slightly bigger. Now, funny enough, talking about the screens, this also leads on to upgrade number 2, and that is all to do with the actual screen. And it looks like at last, after many years, we're going to get ProMotion put inside a normal iPhone. No more 60 Hertz anymore. It's going to be up to 120 Hertz display. One thing I am going to say what's not been clear yet is how low it can go down to. We're not sure it's going to be a flick between 60 Hertz to 120 Hertz like the old school days we used to get with other like Android phones, or it'll be able to dial right down to 1 Hertz or 10 Hertz. We just don't know at this stage. So the main thing is it will be able to 120 Hertz, but we're not sure if it can dial itself right back down to say 1 Hertz or 10 Hertz. So just be aware of that. But then for the third big upgrade I want to talk about, well, we've had a leak in recently telling us what the new color ranges are going to be introduced to the iPhone 17. We've been told we're going to be getting a new kind of lime kind of green color, and we're also going to be getting a purple color introduced to these phones. And this does look really nice. I absolutely love that lime green color. It looks really smart here on an iPhone 17. So those are the 2 new colors that are going to be added to the range. But one thing we're not sure of at the moment, if Apple are going to take away any of the other colors that they introduced for the iPhone 16, whether they're going to replace them, you know, for example, like the blue or the green like I have here on my desk right now. Maybe they might be replaced with these new ones. We just don't know at this stage. So yeah, just be aware of that those new colors are coming in, and obviously that some colors might be removed from the current iPhone range. Now, the fourth is not really an upgrade. This one's a bit more, I'd say, a disappointment to know about with the iPhone 17 normal. And we've been told that the actual A18 that was in the normal iPhone 16, that is going to be retained in the iPhone 17. So we're going to get that, not an A19, and we're still only going to get 8 GB of RAM inside of this. And then for the 5th big upgrade, and this is a big one, and that is that the new iPhone 17 may support Qi 2.2 wireless charging capabilities. And why this is important is because Qi 2.2 allows you to go up to 50 watts of wireless charging, and it's possible that Apple may introduce this into the normal iPhone 17, what will be absolutely fantastic. It will be up and beyond the standard 15 watts we get with the normal iPhone 16 and the 16 Plus, and obviously that'll be even faster than what we get with the 25 watts MagSafe one with the 16 Pro and the 16 Pro Max. So this is fantastic news to hear that we could get up to 50 watts there. Now I can imagine that Apple would also probably upgrade the USB-C port as well to have faster charging there, so that might even go up to 50 watts or even slightly more there too, but we haven't had any leaks about that. But wireless charging, we have had some leaks in, and this definitely is exciting to hear. But with that then guys, that is the latest and greatest on the iPhone 17 normal. Are you excited for it? Are you going to be getting one? Well, let me know in the comments below. And with that as well guys, it's time to wrap up this video too. So if you enjoyed watching it, it, please do press the like button. As always, if you want to hear the latest Apple news, reviews and comparisons, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Until next time guys, I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye bye.